In this video, let's take a look at uploading scanned exams and assigning them to students. We had 20 students take the exam, and we scanned 2 batches of 10 exams. Here's the first batch of 10 exams, and here's the second batch of 10 exams. We are in the Manage Scans tab. We can either click Select PDF files to upload the scans to Gradescope, or we can simply drag and drop them onto this page. We see that there are 2 uploaded batches of scans here, and Gradescope will now process the scans and attempt to automatically split them into submissions. For the first batch of submissions, we see that 10 submissions were automatically created. We can click Show to review these and double check that each submission is indeed a different student's exam. Now let's look at the second uploaded scan. Here, Gradescope wasn't confident about the split, and we need to review the submissions. We click on Show, scroll down, and double check that all the proposed splits look good. We see here that even though this submission had some extra pages, Gradescope proposed the split correctly. If anything did look off, we could set our own split points by hovering over the submission and clicking Split, or by merging submissions together. So since everything looks fine here, we can click on Create 10 Submissions, and we're done with the Manage Scans step. Now let's move on to Manage Submissions. As soon as we confirm the proposed submissions, Gradescope automatically tries to match each submission to a student on the roster, using the name and ID regions we set up in the Edit Outline step. We can quickly double check that all the automatically assigned submissions are accurate. So all of these look good. And now we can click on the Unassigned tab here and see that there was one submission which could not be confidently matched. For this submission, we see the name and the ID region on the left, and we can simply click on Enter Student Name. We start typing the name or ID of the student, and Gradescope looks for matches on the roster. To assign the student, we select the matching entry. If there were multiple students to assign, we could use the Tab key to quickly move to the next unassigned submission. Finally, we can also see more details of a submission. We can click on any of the pages to see them in more detail, and we can also remove a submission or replace its PDF with a new PDF.